All right, section 3, exterior angles, and we're still talking about triangles. So what we're going to say here is we're going to talk about the exterior angle, the angle that's outside of the triangle. So bear with me and we'll see what we can figure out. If we have something like this, and this is of course supposed to be a triangle with a little piece on the outside, we'll say that this is angle A, angle B, angle C, and then outside of it we have angle D, right? Angle D is the exterior angle. Exterior angle. Right? And then angle A, B, and C would be the interior angles, right? The inside angles. So we want to know, what can we say special about angle D? Well, for starters, let's just repeat what we know. We know that A, B, and C add up to 180. So A plus B plus C is 180, right? You add up the angles inside the triangle, they add up to 180 degrees. We could also say that D plus C is 180 because they form a straight angle or a linear pair. So D plus C is 180. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to say, well, 180 is equal to 180. Right, 180 is equal to 180. So this is equal to this, and this is equal to this. So I could say A plus B plus C equals D plus C. Now if I subtract C from both sides, that just cancels them out, and I have A plus B equals D. Now what we've said there, oops, let me see if I can erase this highlighter, there it is that the opposite angles added together is the exterior angle. Right? This is called the exterior angle theorem. Let me write that down. Exterior angle theorem. Right? So if we're trying to find an exterior angle, and in this case it's angle D, then we add up the two angles that don't touch D, right? We don't touch the C because it touches the D, but the A and the B are opposite of it. They're far away from it, and we add those together. All right, so let's look at some examples here. Number 2, here's my exterior angle. The angle that it belongs to, or that it pairs with, is right there, and it's not listed. But we have this angle up here and this angle over here. So we're going to use the 17x plus 4 angle and the 19-degree angle. So we could say that the two interior angles, we'll say 17x plus 4 plus 19, is equal to the exterior angle, 22x minus 2, right? Here's my angle S. Here's an angle. This is S, this is T, and this is, I don't know, I guess this would be angle ZRS. It would be that angle there. Now all we have to do is solve. So I'm going to combine like terms on the left side. I'll say 17x plus 23 equals 22x minus 2. We'll add the 2 over to the left side, and we'll get 25, and we'll subtract the 17, so we get 22 minus 17 gives us 5x. Lastly, we divide by 5, and x is 5. And that's that. Number 3, here's our exterior angle, and then here's our interior angle and our other interior angle. So we'll add up our interior angles and set them equal to our exterior angle. So 26 plus 4x minus 7 is 5x plus 7. I'm going to combine like terms on the left. So my 26 and my negative 7 turn into a 19. So 4x minus 19 is 5x plus 7. I'm going to subtract my 7 to the other side, and I'm going to subtract my 4x. So my 7 cancels, my 4x cancels, and I'll be left with, what is that, negative 26 is x. Is that right? Negative 19 plus negative 7 gives me negative 26. There we are. And that's that. Now, know that this is not our angle, right? Our angle isn't negative 26. Whenever we plug our angle or plug that x into there, we get our angle, right? So it's okay, again, to have negative numbers as your answer, right? We're not talking about the angle, we're talking about the x, right? Let's move on and check number 4. So here's our exterior piece, and then here's our interior and our other interior. So I'll say 32 plus 10x plus 4 is 12x plus 14. I'll combine like terms on the left, and I get, well, 10x plus 26 is 12x plus 14. I'll subtract my 10x, so that gives me a 2x over here. And lastly, I'll subtract my 14 to the left, or I guess second to last. That will give me, what will that give me? Is that 12? That's going to be 12, yeah. 12 is 2x. Dividing by 2, 6 is x. There's my answer. Number 5. Here's my exterior, and then here's my 2 interior, right? This angle here doesn't matter because it belongs with the exterior, right? It makes the pair, the linear pair, or the straight angle with the exterior one, so it doesn't really matter. So let's write this down. We'll have 30 plus 15x plus 5 is 21x minus 7. Combining like terms on the left, I'll get, well, 15x plus 35 is 21x minus 7. Whenever I solve again, I'll subtract my 15x, I'll add my 7, so I'll have 42 equals, that can be 16, 21 minus 15. Oh, good grief, that's just going to be plain old 6. Dividing by 6, and I get 7. So that's number 5. Moving on, number 6. This time I'm going to write it backwards. I'm going to write my exterior angle first, right? So I'll write 88 equals 8x minus 3 plus 9x plus 6. And it doesn't really matter which one you do first. You can do the exterior angle first, or you can do the 2 interior angles first. You just have to have the 2 interior angles next to each other and on the same side of the equal sign. And then you have to have your exterior angle alone, right? So whatever works best for you on whatever problem you're on, just do that. So 88 is going to be, what's that, 17x plus 3. I'll add my 3 over and I'll get 91 is 17x. Then whenever I divide by 17, I get, oh, I got something wrong. Maybe I did something wrong. I got 5.35, but I don't think I'm supposed to get a decimal, so let's see what I did wrong. We have 88 equals 8x minus 3 plus 9x plus 6. 8 plus 9 is 17. Negative 3 plus 6 is 3. Oh, here's my issue. Right here, I'm supposed to subtract 3 from both sides. I added 3. So that 91 should really be 765 and 85. So now whenever I take 85 divided by 17, I get 5. So there, 5 equals x. There we are. Number 7. 11x minus 1 is 7x plus 8 plus 35. So 11x minus 1, combining like terms, is 7x plus 43. Yeah, 43. Subtracting my 7 over, 11 minus 7 gives me 4. Then adding my 1 over gives me 44. So x will be 11. All right, last two problems. 8x plus 8 is 4x plus 14 plus 30. So 8x plus 8 is 4x plus 44. So 4x, subtracting to the left, is going to be 36. And then x will be 36 divided by 4 gives me 9. All right, last problem, number 9. I have 115 equals 10x minus 5 plus 9x plus 6. So this will be 19x plus 1. I subtract the 1 and I get 114. And then I divide and I get, what do I get? 6. All right, there we are. Let me know if you have any issues with this. Just make sure you remember the exterior angle is the two opposite interior angles added together. And if you're still confused on this, if you go on YouTube and search exterior angle theorem, you'll find all kinds of videos showing you how to do problems just like this. All right, that's it.